Amma, few lines from you. And I work with Shobita Amma, my godmother, on a different mission apart from 6D and all. It's called Gauma Foundation. It's all about preservation of native Indian cow. And in Kanchipuram, we are planning a 100 to 200 acre campus wherein all these native breeds of Indian native cow, will be preserved. And I think Amma can give more details on that. She has spent her, entire life serving Gauma. And over to you, Ma.
Thank you for calling me and making me do this today. I feel very grateful to the Almighty for all of us to assemble here on a virtuous cause. The cause is educating the future. Knowledge is abundant, and we belong to a country where in Tamil we say Maar Tattikala. That means we are proud to be called Bharatvasis. So we have, why? We have that Vedic knowledge. Knowledge comes from Vedas. So this knowledge, wherever it is imparted and utilized, analyzed, research, whatever you do, it's basically knowledge. And knowledge, parting knowledge, sharing knowledge, accepting knowledge, all these are different fields. And how each and every one of us take it wholeheartedly and put it in our field of work and implement it and give our nation the old glory we had, and we will get it back very, very soon. We are almost on the ladder. Okay, I wish you all to get this knowledge. The main thing I was impressed about Srikanth, he said, I am trying to implement our knowledge, lost knowledge, like we had the best of universities, Nalanda, Takshashila, Kanchipuram, all these universities. I see a lot of people going now to abroad countries to learn. In those days, we were the place of knowledge. All over the country, they used to come here. And now our children are rushing to those countries to acquire knowledge. But we have enough knowledge, we had enough knowledge, and now we are trying to revive that into our country back. And there are different knowledge. The main knowledge we have, Adhyatmik, Adi Daivik, and Adi Bhautik. We all talked about one thing. It is understanding the globe today. We were in a different situation then. Everything was pure, everything was kept cautiously taken care. Now our ecological system has been disrupted due to various reasons. And today we all have to get together and revive and re-establish that ecological system in whichever way possible. And the Vedas themselves say, because Vedas is the origin of knowledge, and they implement and they say, Gahavo Vishwasya Mataraha. With the help of native, now they have named it as indigenous cows, but native breeds of Indian Bharat cows, Gomata, everything can be revived, re-established, and the ecological system will come up to the normal. And today they were all talking about agriculture. For basic agriculture, we need Gomata. For sustenance, and they were even talking, there won't be 80% of work, AI is coming. So what basic work? Why people came to us? We were the best agriculture. Why? Because sun is available in this Bharat Varsha 365 days without any interruption. This is not available in all parts of the country. I hope you all understand this. You go New Zealand, you go London, anywhere, America, it will not grow. 365 days, they cannot get the natural for a cultivable. So we had all those privileges in this Bharatavarsha, And we have lost due to various reasons. It takes long time to define all that and tell. But at least now we understand that we can revive, bring back the ecological system with biodiversify. See, whatever you do, like I was very proud. My father was the initiator of a big navally lignite corporation where they brought lignite and they, with thermal power, they brought electricity. I was thinking so much electricity for so many people. And we don't know how we used it, and we are now misusing electricity. But the same thing is, we are bringing the natural resources and we are burning it, or however we are using. The remnants which come are carbon. You understand? But the difference between the Gomata, how this Gomata is going to help, whatever you bring out of Gomata and you fire, you take one cow dung patty, you just burn it with 10 ml of ghee, it can bring 1.5 ton of oxygen. Where in the world can you imagine such things? These were all proven facts. We were all using all those techniques, but now we are not. So there are various ways of applying all those things in today's implement. Today we want is three main things: electricity, biofuel, and auto fuel. These three things, and constructive and health, healing, anything you name it, cleaning, anything you name it, pesticides, everything you get from one and only Gomata. So she can deliver everything back to normalcy. So we are doing with that knowledge, and today a lot of our people are doing research and this thing. So I wanted, where is that Amma? So all of you to understand this, and now instead of our Indians, I have met lot of Western people, other culture people are coming and learning this, and they want to take the science. Mainly Germans, they are the more scientific people. They are working on this. Today, they are flying, even helicopters or even the aero, everything. Electricity is got, everything can be got with the help of Gomata. So we are trying to give this awareness back to the society and revive this Bharat Varsha. Thank you all.
I don't know. No, I just wanted to just add one point, and I think you should propagate this more through 60 Varsity. If you go around the world, I think I've traveled to more than 80 or 90 countries. There is no other country in the world that has a 4,000 or a 5,000 year old living culture. You just think about that, whether it's Europe or Latin America or other parts of Africa or Asia. Their culture, what they're living in today, is not that old. Maybe a few hundred years old, maybe 1,000 years old. But in our country, we are living still in a living, breathing, growing culture of that is 5,000 years old, which is, whether you think of it as Ayurveda or astrology or astronomy or Vastu or any of our cultures, Unani or any of the, So the concept is, I'm not saying that Ayurveda is the best, or I'm not saying allopathy is the best. Just to think that 5,000 years ago, people in this very land were treating each other with Ayurveda, and they survived. So we are still trying to continue that. So it's Vastu. Vastu, I don't know whether Vastu is good or bad. Some people believe it, some people don't believe it. But this has been there for 5,000 years, 6,000 years. People were using the same Shastra for several thousand years ago, and so no other country, I don't see this there, so I think we should be very proud of it. Thank you.
So the future scientist discovery, like invention versus discovery, is discovering. Whatever has been covered till date, let's discover or rediscover our ancient science, give it a new shape, apply it to today's times and tomorrow's times. So thank you, Ma. And thank you, sir. This is, a great evening today. We are all converging to our cultural, the factor and the DNA that we all, have been carrying for the last 4,000 or 5,000 years, as you were mentioning, sir. So